and it's completely free, unlike Parallels, and it's way less convenient than Parallels. So, with my very tactful sales pitch out of the way, let's get started. So, first you will need a Windows 10 ISO file. So let's open up our web browser here. And so now I want to do a quick search for download Windows 10. What? No. Windows 10? That's not what I typed. Download Windows 10. And then, if you're on this computer, wait a little bit. There we go. So we want to click on this top result here. Chug, 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 chug. Here we go. So now, if you're on a Windows device, then you will be redirected to a page which will only allow you to download the media creation tool. I am not on a Windows device, so and probably actually if you're doing this tutorial, you probably also won't be on a Windows device. So yeah, you'll probably also get the ISO download page as well. So you just want to scroll down, click Select Edition, Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO, confirm, wait, select your language, confirm, and now you want to click on 64-bit download. Except I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. Stop downloading. Whoa. Clear. See, yes, I've already downloaded my copy of the ISO, so I don't need to download it again. I can just Alright. So now we can quit our web browser and wait for the web browser to quit. There we go. And now we can go to our Launchpad or Applications folder, and well, this is embarrassing. I am totally not running macOS Sequoia on an unsupported Mac. Not at all. Well, this explains the slowness. Moving swiftly onwards, you want to go to your Launchpad and then to your other folder. And then you want to go to Bootcamp Assistant. And I'll just open there. And now it's at this point that you want to connect a USB flash drive. And so with that done, let's click Continue. Just oh, well, just completely disregard what I just said and you actually don't want to connect a flash drive now. When I tested this, it wasn't making me do that, but okay. Let's try again. So now, it's gonna ask how you want to partition your disk. I'm just going to divide it evenly. Close enough. 500, 499. Anyways, and it's auto-detected our ISO. And then if you have more than one, it'll give you the option to choose which one you want. We don't have any more. So now, let's click install. It's going to mount and verify the Windows 10 ISO, as you can see. And so that can take some time. And so I'm going to pause the video here. I'm back and we've got the computer powered off. So let's go ahead and change that. And hold down the option key right after you press the power button. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna casually connect to the internet here for no specific reason. So now, you, will probably, get a partition with the Bootcamp logo and a hard disk logo on it, labeled Windows. I have that too, but because I'm using OpenCore, I can't boot from that, so I have to go into my OpenCore bootloader, so EFI boot, and here's the Windows that I can boot from. So let's click on there, and Windows 10 is booting. Yeah. Setup is starting. Great. Yeah, and from here on, it's just a normal installation of Windows 10. I'm just gonna select what. And yeah, it's just gonna install automatically to the Bootcamp partition that we created earlier. And so yeah, I'm gonna pause the video here and I'll be back. Hey, it's done! So, I'll just go through the OOB here. Ethernet? What about, what about Wi-Fi? I want Wi-Fi. I guess I don't have Ethernet. I mean, I guess I don't have internet. Whoa! What? Why is OpenCore labeled Windows now? Hopefully that's not important, because I noticed that the OpenCore bootloader also didn't show up. Uh-oh. Let's hope that wasn't important, and I access OpenCore by doing something else. I'm not hopeful. But... just a moment. It's been several moments, and last time it said this for about 15 minutes. I just said that I didn't have internet. Maybe... What if I do... No, I didn't click on ease of access. I guess I don't have internet. Just a moment. Continue with limited setup. Hey, there we go. What's wrong with my mouse? It's a little bit messed up. Okay. There's something wrong with my mouse. Okay. Sure, Cortana doesn't work anymore, but yeah. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Given that it might take several minutes, I don't think I'm going to read the rest aloud and just... Hey! It's done! Okay, so I guess this is why we couldn't connect to the internet. There was probably some drivers that it needed to install, so it's saying, welcome to the Bootcamp installer. You'll be guided through the necessary steps to install Bootcamp. To get started, click next. It's automatically come up with this, by the way. I didn't launch this. So, yeah, let's just go through this, and it's probably going to install some drivers and stuff, I'm guessing? Okay, so it wants to install some Broadcom system devices, so you want to click Always Trust Software from Broadcom Corporation, and click Install. Okie dokie, it's done, so... I guess let's restart system because it's recommended. It's the OpenCore bootloader. Great. Wait. Was that what it was before and I just didn't notice? I don't know. If it was, that was embarrassing. Yeah, that's good. Maybe not. Hey, so we've rebooted, and so, like, immediately this, like, command prompt window opened. Apparently it's running C Windows System 32 winsat.exe, whatever that is. Could be something with Bootcamp. I don't know. But I guess we'll see what it does. So, the command prompt window just closed, and I heard a Windows 10 sound. So we do have audio now, as you can see here. Or, well, actually, due to the camera angle, you can't. There, now you can. Hey, do the controls on the keyboard work? Oh, I choked there. Oh, that's hilarious. Ooh, wait, it still uses the Windows 10 brightness controls things, but why doesn't it use the same thing for the volume? It's got a Mac OS looking thing. So we still do not have internet. Maybe we need to actually join a Wi-Fi network. Yeah! Okay. Yeah. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh no. How many windows did I open? Okay, here we go. So yeah, do I have to complete setup? Really? Pop-ups. Okay, no. Can I get out of here? Alt F4. Alt FN F4. Get out. Task manager. Help. I'm not gonna just be a loyal Microsoft boy and complete the setup, and it will be much easier probably than trying to force quit it. But I don't want to do that. Gah. Alt F4 doesn't work. Alt FN F4 doesn't work. This keyboard doesn't have a delete key, so I can't press Control Alt Delete. Control Shift Escape also doesn't work. Well, anyways, I think that's about a good stopping point for today's video. So that was how to install Windows 10 on any Intel-based Mac using Bootcamp. And so, yeah, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. And, I do have an Internet Archive account where basically I just upload pre-installed VirtualBox VMs of basically literally every OS. I have over 100 uploads. Go check me out. I'll put a link down in the description. And I think that's about it. I'll see you in the next one.